Okay, so this is a beginner's class, therefore I'm going to show you how you can sign up with Canva. So you can either go to www.canva.com or you can just click on the link that I have provided below and you'll also find this Canva page. And on the right side, you see that you can either log in if you already have an account or you can click on sign up. There you have several options. And as you see, it says create an account, it's free. So in this complete course, I'm showing you how to use Canva for free. And there's also going to be a lecture where you can decide if you need the pro version, because I'm going to show you the pros and cons. But for now, to sign up, quickly sign up with Google if you have an account, with Facebook, or with your email. Or as I said before, simply click on login if you already have an account, and then see you in the next lecture.